Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Remember that if you want a close shave and smooth, to change the cassette, I have this Braun Series 7 cassette. These cassettes will help you save so much money since you don't have to buy razors week by week, month by month, or shaving cream. These will last for a pretty long time. They're very sturdy, they are very durable, and you only need to replace them every 18 months. Of course, if you want a cleaner shave, a close shave and smooth skin, they recommend for you to do it every 10 to 12 months. But imagine, you'll pay very little for up to a year of having a great electric razor. It's very easy to assemble. As you can see, you just attach it. You press the release button first to get rid of the old cassette. Then you just connect the new one and it'll be working within a second. I highly recommend this Braun Series 7 shaver cassettes, and that is just my point of view.